Welcome back to Pi Academy. This is fourth video on real analysis based on number system and set in R. Others videos link provided in description box. In this video, I will discuss from question 16 to 20. Now question number 16. The set of all limit point of the set S equal to 1 by P plus 1 by Q such that PQ belongs to N is phi or the singleton set 0 or 1 by N such that N belongs to N or 0 union 1 by N. Solution. Let P equal to a fixed natural number. Then the set is, since P is fixed, therefore Q vary from 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. S equal to, then we get S equal to 1 by P plus 1, 1 by P plus half, 1 by P plus 1/3 and so on. Therefore, the right neighborhood of 1 by P contains infinite number of elements. Therefore, 1 by P is a limit point. Thus, 1 by K such that K belongs to N be the set of limit points. Instead of K, we can also use 1 by P such that P belongs to N. Similarly, let Q equal to a fixed natural number. Then the set is S equal to 1 by Q plus 1. Since Q is fixed, therefore P is vary. That is 1 by Q plus 1, 1 by Q plus half and so on. The right neighborhood of 1 by Q contains infinite number of elements. Thus 1 by M such that M belongs to N be the set of limit points. Now let us choose epsilon greater than 0. And therefore mod of 1 by P plus 1 by Q minus 0 lesser equal to 1 by P plus 1 by Q less than 2 by P. If Q greater than P, then this less than 2 by P. Thus this minus 0 less than epsilon holds if 2 by P less than epsilon, that is P greater than 2 by epsilon. Therefore 0 be the limit point and the set of limit point is 0 and 1 by N such that N belongs to N. Hence the answer D is true. Here 1 by K and 1 by M, they are same because K belongs to N and M belongs to also N. Now I solve question number 17. Let S equal to sine of n pi by 3 such that n belongs to natural number set. Then find infimum S and sup S. Then infimum S and sup S are minus 3 by 2, root over 3 by 2, 0 or this or this or this. Now the solution. The set of point is S equal to root 3 by 2. If we put n equal to 1, then sine pi by 3, that is sine 60 and sine 60 root 3 by 2. If we put n equal to 2, then 2 pi by 3, that is sine 2 pi by 3, we can write sine 2 pi by 3 equal to sine pi minus pi by 3. This is also sine pi by 3. Therefore, this is also root 3 by 2. And also when put n equal to 3, then sine pi, and sine pi is 0. Similarly, this when put n equal to 4, then we get this, and 5 when we get this, and so on. And clearly infimum S minus root 3 by 2 and sup S root 3 by 2. Therefore the correct option is B. Now question number 18. The set U equal to x belongs to R such that sin x equal to half is a open set or closed set, or C option both open and closed and neither open nor closed. Given that U equal to x belongs to R such that sin x equal to half, then sin x equal to sin pi by 6, and we know that x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into pi by 6. This is the rule if sin x equal to sin alpha, then x equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole to the power n into alpha. Here alpha equal to pi by 6, where n equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on, which has no limit point and also has no interior point. So it is only closed set. So our option B is true. And why it has no limit point? Because all the points are its isolated point. Therefore it has no limit point and no interior point from the definition of interior point. So it is only closed set. Now question number 19. Let S be an infinite subset of R such that S intersection Q equal to phi. Which one of the following statement is true? S must have a limit point which belongs to Q. S must have a limit point which belongs to R minus Q. S cannot be a closed set in R, and R minus S must have a limit point which belongs to S. Solution. Here S equal to R minus Q by the given condition, and so S intersection Q equal to phi, because this is given. Therefore clearly S dash equal to R, but S dash not subset S. Thus by the definition of closed set, S is not a closed set. There our option C is true. Now question number 20. If y equal to x divided by 1 plus mod x such that x belongs to R, then the set of all limit point of y is open interval minus 1 comma 1, semi open or semi close minus 1 comma 1, or close interval 0 comma 1, or close interval minus 1 comma 1. Solution. Now limit x tends to plus minus infinity x divided by 1 plus mod x equal to limit x tends to plus minus infinity equal to 1 divided by 1 plus x plus mod x by x, and we know that mod x by x equal to 1 when x greater than 0 and minus 1 when x less than 0. Therefore this is minus 1 or plus 1. Therefore the total value of this, the limit of this function is plus minus 1, and this tends to plus minus 1 when x tends to plus minus infinity. That is, the option A is true. Now there is a question for viewers. Consider the following subset of R E equal to n divided by n plus 1 such that n belongs to natural number, and f equal to 1 divided by 1 minus x such that 0 less or equal to x less than 1. Then the option both f, E and f are closed. E is closed and f is not closed. C, E not closed and f is closed. Neither E or nor f is closed. Answer this question on comment box. And that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get all the notification of my new videos.